Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ambush from Doors. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. In the center, let's draw two curves next to each other like this. Then from the tops, let's curve it outwards. Now let's close off each eye with another curve. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. Now underneath each eye on the outside corner, let's draw another curve like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath in the center, let's draw a long oval down. And let's color the mouth in black as well. Next, on the left side of the mouth, let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's move up to the top and let's draw a curve across above the eyes here. Then from both sides, let's bring it down. And then another curve out and into the mouth. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Ambush. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!